Another question I get from clients. Our business has experienced tremendous growth, and we've hired a lot of new people, but we're experiencing a productivity decrease. How can we turn this around? Because that doesn't make any sense. Well, it starts by hiring the right person for the right job, by understanding what motivates them and what their personality type is. Once hired, it's a matter of assigning tasks and communicating with that employee or member based on what their assessed motivators are. Knowing what motivates an employee and member does increase productivity, and it can be measured. When assembling a team to achieve a goal, knowing how team members are motivated to act is a key to increasing or tanking productivity. For example, opposing motivators can be found in a person who prefers quick action taking and quick results versus one who likes to spend a lot of time gathering research data and then weighing the pros and cons. If the team leader only considers the motivators of one, the other may become less proactive, less productive, may even decide they want to leave. There's also the possibility of trying to make both team leaders happy in the wrong way, which results in reducing the productivity of both of them. Another example is how some people are motivated when they're given a task and then left completely alone to do it, versus one who is more motivated by the brainstorming process and the teamwork process. I love brainstorming. I've used it with powerful results with clients of all ages for decades. My husband, on the other hand, he wants to figure out things on his own and find his own resources and gather his own information. Discovering employees, members, and leaders' motivators is valuable before hiring them or at any time after. Increasing productivity is possible if it becomes a matter of focus and priority in the association or the corporation's processes. Using motivational maps has yielded results of more than 60% increases in productivity over a year.